She just strode away. All going the... Naisewa has a support player on her.
Every game that I played, I always said I'll play for her. Even though she's not here, but I'll give my all, my 100%. Just playing and writing her name on my wrist, reminding me that because she's always been my #1 support. When they called me, they told me the news. Mom was crying and crying, and I couldn't stop my tears. I started crying, and the girls were asking, "Where's Kara?" That morning that we were supposed to do Lotu, Dumu came, other friends came, my roommate all came and started hugging me, and I couldn't bear the pain. Mom talked to me and told me, "Go out there and play for Seri." So when they told me the news, I was shocked and I started crying. So from there, I told myself, no, I'll play for her. No matter what, I'll play for her today. And I'll dedicate this win to her. And yeah. And my first ever game, it was against the season. It was going in to play against Reds. So we won that game and I dedicated that win for her. We started playing together from 2019, back at the provincial level, playing for Lautoka. Started playing there, then from Lautoka, then we moved out to then we were called in the extended squad for Fijian 15. There were 3 of us called up for Fijian 15, the younger sister, younger than me. So going through the camp, we always motivate each other, no matter what happened. We try and wear that white jumper. So from there, we made it to the squad. And from 2022, we made it to the Rua squad. My other sister didn't get the chance to play with us, so we kept motivating each other, kept pushing each other from 2022 to 23, now 24. Playing alongside with her, it's not new, so whatever we do, whatever we play, we say or do together, we always say, let's play for each other, play for our family, play for our sister. She's not here anymore. We'll got each other's back and know that all the support is coming from home and our coaches and our teammates.
This time, it's perfect. Inside pass. Naisewa, will she go in for a try? And then she might be on there. Here we go. This is the 3rd front rower. All front rowers now for Fiji. Will score a try. And it is.
When he missed 2019 World Cup, he asked me, I was training for the extended squad for the Women's Rugby World Cup. So when he got dropped, he asked me, are you training for the 2022 Rugby World Cup? Yes. Okay, so he bet. He told me, okay, let's see who make it the first ever World Cup in our family, who will represent Fiji first. So I said, okay, I'll bet you on that. So I kept training and I'm pushing myself. Once I was called in the final squad for Rugby World Cup, I called him and I said, I made it to the Rugby World Cup. And he said, oh, okay, that's my sister. Okay, and I told him, okay, your turn. What was the next Rugby World Cup? Last year, 2023. So I asked him, can you make it 2023 Rugby World Cup? Then he said, yo, my. So I got a shock that he was called to the final squad for 2023 and I congratulate him too. And I said, yay, but I was the first one who made it to the first Rugby World Cup, first in our family.
From the force, desperate to get some points on the board. They're getting very close. The referee is looking and she gives a try. She gives the try. And it's another one going to the bin. Wow. Sarah Porter, the referee, has lost patience.
I was not expecting it, but, well, coming from me, I would say try sitting off the bench for 10 minutes. I regret it, but coming from there, it was a more learning for me to going for the next game and the next season from next year.
Ellis is getting back there. Ellis wins the race. Or did she?
I agree.
Is there one little That's it. The Tars are back on top.
It was not the season that we expected. Going to the final, we lost to the final, but compared to the last two seasons that we won, but yeah, this is not what we expected, that we lost to the final and to the more team that wanted the most.
Under the pump here. Go to the back. Round comes Naisewa. That is a try. The perfect start to the second half for the Drua, and it's their skipper. A captain's knock from Karalaini Naisewa. She is so dangerous.